And the 2025 National Chess Championship entered day 4 with youngsters continuing to dominate the board. The tournament is building up to a thrilling grand finale set for Wednesday, the 31st of this month.
The tournament has been very competitive. This year, the format of the National Championship changed, and we used a Grand Prix system where the players played a series of tournaments over the year, and the best 9 players were invited for the nationals. And then the top rated player and the top junior also are invited for the nationals.
Something really unique, really outstanding about this national championship is the number of juniors that are dominating the top 5. The top 5 will be forming the Team Kenya that will be representing us in the upcoming Olympiads in Uzbekistan, that is 2026 September.
I'm playing to win a brand new car, so of course I'm still fighting it out. I expect to finish either clear first or clear second, but the tournament is still going on, so I have to keep on fighting.
The tournament has been tough so far because everyone is strong, but I think preparation is what matters, and energy.
Algeria are through to the round of 16 at the 2025